And if LDPlayer FPS is low and you don't want to upgrade your PC, no new CPU, no new GPU. Yeah, this guide is exactly for you. I'll show you how to increase LDPlayer FPS using only settings and system tweaks that actually work in 2026. Let's jump in. Before touching LDPlayer settings, close background apps, browsers, launchers, cloud sync tools, and so they quietly steal FPS even if your PC looks idle. Now open LDPlayer and click the gear icon on the right side to open settings. Go to the advanced or performance tab. Set CPU cores to 2 or 4 depending on your system. More is not always better. For RAM, set 4 to 6 gigabytes. Over allocating memory can actually reduce FPS. Yeah, it's a common mistake. Next, graphics rendering mode. If you're on a dedicated GPU, try DirectX. If you're using integrated graphics, OpenGL often gives smoother FPS. After switching, restart LDPlayer so the change fully applies. Now raise the frame rate limit. Set it to 60 frames per second or higher if available and stable. Higher FPS here directly improves smoothness without touching hardware. Drop the emulator resolution to 720p or 900p. Set DPI around 240. Full HD looks nice, but it costs frames, and this guide is about FPS. So yeah, lower is better. Scroll down and turn off anti-aliasing, high-quality rendering, and extra visual effects. These settings are the biggest FPS killers in LDPlayer, especially on mid-range PCs. Make sure virtualization is enabled on your PC. This lets LDPlayer use system resources efficiently. Without it, FPS stays low no matter how good your settings are. And that's it. With these changes, LDPlayer FPS should improve noticeably. No hardware upgrades needed. If this helped, save it, and yeah, check out the other LDPlayer performance guides on the channel. See you next time.